What in the f is this guy doing? Oh my god! Holy sh! What the f? Ty pičo.
Já jsem měl co držet před tou slečnou. Jaký my tady máme ele.
18 months in a row we say, have you guys started watching The Blacklist yet?
I'm thinking about it, man.
It's worth it just for James Spader. Every time the pitch is the same. Hey, Chris, we had a laundromat question come up. You had no way of hearing it, so I just wanted sort of a, you know.
You're a real close.
What the fuck is that guy doing?
And we know that, like, you're.
Yeah, the most I'm gonna go is 10. Thanks for bringing him in.
Hey, oh, cool.
Appreciate
Nice
it.
to learn about him. Thanks for your time.
Thanks.
That we couldn't make a deal, but I'm pretty sure I'll find a good home for them anyway.
Hey, how can I help you?
I have some Harry S. Truman signed books.
What are you doing, dude? Jesus Christ.